Let's play a game. Let's find the different shapes. Can you find the orange star? The orange star. Very good. The blue whale. Blue whale. Yellow duck. Yellow duck. Red fish. Red fish. Blue dolphin. Pink octopus. Pink octopus. Would you like to cook with me, my friends? Yes? All right, let's cook some bacon. Bacon. Let's turn on the stove. How about we make some cookies? Can you say yes? Thank you. 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies, 4 cookies. Put them in the oven. In the oven. Close the door. This is a cash register. Here's the scanner. Let's find the drawer with the money. Here's the coins. Pretend money. Here's the dollar bills. Now let's close the drawer. Close. Open. Now we opened it. Close. Let's count the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 0 is 10.